Look at this little guy. And then look at these things. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, kid. Oatmeal cream pies were like the best back in the day. When your mother said not to get anything after school, oh, I got these. It was just they had this type of flavor that like nothing else did. And they're oatmeal, so I thought they were, healthy. So now I'm gonna try to bake them myself, get some better ingredients in there. I got kids and whatnot. I don't want them eating garbage. I gotta admit though, these are little sad little cookies. Do these things look like the same as on the package?
No. This picture, it shows like so much icing, like a double stuffed Oreo. Look at this.
Oh, that's wicked crappy, isn't it? So here we go. Oatmeal cream pies, Little Debbie. All right, now to make the cookie. It may seem like a lot of ingredients, and no, it totally is. But this recipe is wicked easy. It's a lot of dumping things in a bowl and then stir it together. I mean, we're making a cookie right now. It ain't that hard. You dump the fat and sugar into the bowl. Oh, look at that molasses, yeah. Then in a mixing bowl, you want to mix all the ingredients together, then take your eggs one at a time and mix those together too. Like I said, standard cookie. Then take your dry ingredients and incorporate them in. Slowly though, you don't want that stuff going all over the place. Yeah, just like that. What do you think the kinds that I make are gonna taste better? Or do you think these ones are gonna taste better?
See, look at the cookies. I mean, that compared to this.
The homemade ones? Yeah, guy. What about you?
Those.
All right, now's the good part, the cream. This part's pretty easy too. You just take the fat, the butter and the shortening, you cream it together, and then you add in the powdered sugar. Slowly again. You don't want that stuff all over your kitchen. Now the marshmallow cream, or fluff, as we like to say in Boston. That marshmallow fluff is so good. Did you ever have a fluffernutter? Oh yeah, that's good. Peanut butter and fluff in a sandwich? Come on, can't go wrong. Just spread that bad boy on there. This is smelling so good. Take a look at this. Look at this. Fresh cream, soft cookie. That looks so good. Look at this little guy. And then look at these things. Oh yeah. Now these look like good cream pies. Cookies came out nice. Soft enough, look really good, but I gotta have a taste test. It's me against you, Little Debbie. Let's do this. All right, guys. Blind taste test. You go first. Don't say anything. Take a bite. Take a bite. What do you think of the first one?
Good.
Yum?
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
Let's take the second one. Bite. All right, bite. Okay.
This one is your homemade.
And what do you think? What do you think is better? The first or the second? All right, you can take your masks off.
Second.
The first is this. The second is this. What do you like better? Little Debbie's or homemade? And I want the truth, seriously.
Homemade.
Homemade.
Why?
Because it's just more delicious.
It's bigger.
Has more icing.
I want to eat a whole one right now.
Let's do that.
Like a whole one of each.
You want a whole one?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm gonna give them all away. Get it. All right, we can have a whole one.
Yeah!
These are by far so much better. They're unbelievable. Anyone can make Little Debbie. Oh, I almost forgot. If you like this 80s treat, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below, because I'll be making more very soon. Twinkies, devil dogs, all that stuff.